Hey, what's up, guys? We just got this new 36 volt cordless reciprocating saw by Metabo, and it's got that 4 amp battery. We're gonna test this out, see how well it works. All right, here we go. That's a good sized one right there. Oh, look at that. Cut right through it real quick. The blade that I'm using is this one here. Just a 12-inch Performax pruning blade. Looks like it works pretty good. It works real good. I would definitely go out there and buy one if I were you guys. I would highly recommend this one. If you guys like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel below. And don't forget to hit that notification bell. That way you know when I put up some new videos. Alright, see you guys.